3, 2, 1, crescendo!
We are moving in the last match of the first round of our eliminations bracket. A flood of notes going up for red, blue firing up their own response. Beak Squad coming into the Red Alliance zone for a final shot, not quite going into the speaker. Coming out of Autonomous, we have a very narrow gap, 24 to 23, narrow advantage to the Red Alliance. Immediately coming out of Autonomous, they're going to start building up their amp and firing shots into the speaker. Beak Squad lining up with the amp. Red Alliance can now amplify as soon as they see fit. Blue Alliance over mostly near their source, collecting notes going to score in this match, though Eagle Army over by their subwoofer, firing a shot up into their speaker for 2 points. Back on Red, Titan Robotics flying into their wing, dropping off a note into their amp, building towards that amplification possibility. Beak Squad firing up into the speaker, not quite going in, however. Eagle Army with a note traveling across the field to go score, while their partner Cybears has just retrieved a note, and their partner Roaring Robotics going to do the same. Beak Squad in their own source, collecting a note and heading to retrieve. With 75 seconds left in this match, the score is 46 to 45. Narrow advantage red, it is still anybody's game. Respawn Robotics may be having some troubles. They've been sitting center field for a while now. Hopefully they can resolve whatever issues they have occurring. Beak Squad still working to keep the speaker well filled, firing up countless shots, cycling quickly between their source and their speaker. Titan over by their amp, working to possibly score up in that amp, allowing for later amplified shots. Over on the Blue Alliance, Eagle Army pulling away from their subwoofer, heading back to retrieve a note. Their partner Roaring heading back to the amp to drop off and build up that amplification possibility. Cybears lining up to fire, not quite going in, but they have a ground collector and can redo it. Eagle Army lining up to fire, and they make it. Blue Alliance amplifies, and it is worth 5 points. With that riff, we are now in the end game, where teams can begin thinking about climb. Already, we see Roaring Robotics lining up to go up, Cybears possibly going to join them if they can. Beak Squad almost in the trap, but not quite, as they reach up to climb, but are unable to do so before the end of the match. Preliminary score 70 to 59, advance 6 Alliance. They will be staying in the upper bracket with a score of 74. Alliance 3, a valiant effort. They will get another chance in the lower bracket.